Also, I got this Nokia mobile 6120 classic mobile phone for parts. It's never worked properly, so it was completely shagged. This is the one I got the photo flash LED out of. And that worked as a I use it as a, there you go, just popped it off. Just unplugs. I use it as a mag light LED conversion. It works quite well. Let's try and tear it down further, get the goodies out of it. Get the vibrator motor out of it and the speaker out, and see how if we can do anything useful with those. The rest, well, just pop with the NST. Now what this bit of plastic here is, that's the antenna. 2008, 10th 2008. One connected there and 3 connectors there. And that's the internal antenna. Interesting. Mostly just bloody plastic in here, but nothing really much interesting in here. Haven't got a bloody bit to fit those torque screws, so I'm going to have to hack those off. There's a little vibrating motor. That's one tiny little DC motor. Yeah, it's the size of it. That's one tiny motor. About the size of the tip of this screwdriver. That's pretty tiny. The door for the SD card. I might try to see if I could reuse these LEDs. Get a battery pack and connect these up. There's a backlight LED to the buttons. Obviously made in Korea. Alright, let's keep stripping it down. Got a good battery out of it, spare battery. Check out that little speaker. Awesome. That's a loudspeaker. That's what plays the audio and everything, and video audio. That's cool. And they make a nice little headphone speaker. I'll give it a test later on. Here's a little camera. That's a 2 megapixel camera, that. Unreal, this bloody technology, they can make it so small. They're advancing so damn quick. Yep, broke the LCD. There's a little VGA camera there, that's a tiny little one. Alright, that's NST to rest. So viewers got the other speaker out. This is the handpiece speaker, the actual speaker for the receiving end. Yeah, bit you put to your ear, in other words. Little camera just plugs in. That's unreal. 5G8Y002860. Unbelievable. Bloody technology. I may see if I can pull my I've got a white one of these as my personal phone. I might see if I can put these on, because this snapped off on mine. I might even put a black button on it, customise it. Lead neck phone customisation. Alright, let's finish this off with the NST. Viewers, I'm using this little 10 kV NST, so let's see how this goes. Power on. Oh, yeah, LEDs did light up a little bit. 10 kV LEDs. It's quite cold and rainy today, so bit of a warm up. I just love the arcs that these NSTs make. Really cool. Well, I think the best shot is to use an MOT. Nice high current, that will be the best way to kill a circuit board. NST is just too low a current. See if I can flip this the other way around. Yeah, 30 milliamps isn't enough to cook the circuit board. We need more current.
Alright, I got a better idea.
NST off. Unplug safety first. Okay, viewers, let's mute this phone. They say mobile phones give you cancer, RF radiation. Well, this is its revenge in a microwave full of radiation. Microwaves, that is. They will try to blown light bulb. Let's start off with this phone. Let's give it cancer. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on, I want to see some plasma. Got the smart meter plugged into this way so we can let's see what the real power factor is. Alright. That's all it is, a little bit of flames, some smoke. Now the wind's blowing away from it, it's blowing that way, so I've got really good ventilation today, although it's seasonably cold today and wet. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yep. Mobile phone gets a dose of its own type of radiation there, so they say. Yeah, spark shooting up of it. Alright, it's a quick power factor check. .3 amps I'm pulling, 50 Hertz obviously, 1 is my power factor. 1214.8 watts I'm pulling. That's kind of bright. That's absorbing a lot of the microwave radiation there. Yeah, good antenna. Oh, there we go. Something just went pop. Power up, power off. Unplug that. Safety first. Whew. Okay, viewers, all the smoke's cleared. Yeah, that's the most reception that phone has ever got. There you go, huh? It's a great way of beating bad reception. Yeah. A little chip came off the board there. Yep. That got some bloody good reception. Alright. There's pretty much nothing left on that to nuke now, so let's put that light bulb in. Not sure what that was, some of the heatsink shield or what, but the RF shield, but look how detailed that printing is. That's kind of cool. Alright, got an idea. Let's give this a try. Three, two, one. Oh, awesome. Going green. That's cool. Looks better in real life on the camera. Plasma in a light bulb. Nice, pretty colours. Going green in there. That's from the tungsten filament. Much more fun than microwaving CFLs and LEDs. No fumes either, so yeah, the glass is going to fracture. Oh, there we go. Epic. That was cool. Now just arcing to the floor. Alright, power off. Unplug safety first. That was a nice pop. That was epic. The glass heated up and somehow that must have generated some ozone in there or something, built up pressure. Man, that was awesome. Look at that. Work of art. Alright, let's have a closer inspection. It's connected it right in its pulse. Watt hour and VARH. Man, talk about a blown light bulb. Now this is what I call a blown light bulb. Gee, that's pretty interesting effect there. You can see as it got thinner and stretching, got thinner and thinner and thinner and thinner. Very nice effect you can do with incandescent bulbs. Shame you can't buy them anymore. But there you go. Alright viewers, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.